How to create an Uber account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can create an Uber account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first. You can open up your Uber app or you can head over to your web browser and search for Uber. Then head over to its website, that is uber.com. After you do that, on the initial page of Uber, you'll find the sign up option on the top right. Tap on sign up and it will prompt you to the sign up page for Uber. So while that happens, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into our video. So as you can see, this is uber.com. To sign up, tap on sign up on the top here, and here you can choose if you want to be a rider or driver or Uber Eats. So after you open the link, you will find this section where you can enter up your Google account or tap on continue with Google. I'll just tap on continue with Google. After you choose a Google account, you'll then have to confirm your information by giving out your mobile number. So type in your mobile number and then tap on next. After you tap on the next, you'll be receiving a verification code. Then you can simply start setting up your Uber and you'll be logged in into your account as well. And it's that simple guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and